Hi Tanushri, thank you for sharing. Hi dear. I don't know what you were speaking about. Thank you for sharing. Matlab, I didn't understand. Dear, if you want paid service, then you're welcome anytime. You can book your slot. If you want a free reading, certain questions I don't do here. I should see your question. If I'm able to do, definitely I'll answer you here. But I need you to share. I need to see share tag. Hello, Savi Sharma. Tanushri, post your question in English. Savi Sharma, post your question in English. Thank you, Tanushri. Please like the live. Dear, definitely I see for you very good long-term relationship, happy relationship. I see maybe there is a soul connection, there is a true bonding between you both. I see love, care for each other. I see maybe when you go sad, he doesn't like this. Sometimes he may make you feel better. In future, I see actually Nine of Cups and Strength card, Chariot card. It's a very positive card which is moving forward for the positive way. Like the Strength card is very positive card, and you have got two major Arcana cards which is very good for your relationship. And I actually hope there is a best connection. I think so. Maybe is your best partner for your lifetime. I think the two of Cups and the Chariot and the Strength card represents. For the long term, and there is a long run in your relationship. So I don't see any sadness, or I don't see disconnection, misunderstandings like that to tear a relationship. Maybe each other have a lot of understandings. Maybe you make effort to make feel better each other, and there is a happiness, love, care between you both, and patience under this. Maybe in somebody, maybe you or them, this is vice versa, I'm feeling. Should and hand over the relationship in the patience way, like take care to the next level in the patience way. So don't lose your patience in any tough situations, because I think in your life is your best partner. I think right now I'm getting two of cups, all major arcanas only I got. So best of luck for your relationship. Guys, please share. Simran, please share. I don't see sharer tag. So Tanushri, you need depth reading, dear. I can't concentrate on so many questions about you right now. So you can take a slot booking for private reading. So I can't do anything. Maybe I will give you a guidance card right now. Something may help you. So I will give you just a guidance card, Tanushri. Maybe you're in confusion right now, and I need your date of birth, I need your photo personally to do a depth reading for you, and it is a paid service. Right now you're asking so big question about like you are confused and you're in two things right now in your life. You want to know about your partner and career also. I can't tell anything about this. I can give you only an angel message, because marriage is a big hole. You'll have to take a depth reading for that, and the person for your future, about them, if you want to know about their personality characteristics, you'll have to take a depth session with me. It's up to you, and because I am unstable in both the situation right now, we are confused, it's not unstable. Right now you are not stable in your life, and one thing is two things you can't decide at one time. So take time for one thing, and first ignore both and be stable in your situations in your feet first. Then you can you think of one thing about your career, then the marriage. Fix your career first. This is what I want to tell you, and there is an angel card for you, definitely. Anything about marriage and career for Tanushri. Okay, Tanushri, I'm gonna take two cards for you. You got Seven of Fire, Six of Earth. So maybe right now you are in defend your beliefs. Maybe your beliefs are maybe you are overthinking. Maybe certain times you are affecting your thoughts actually by overthinking. So defend your belief right now. Whatever you are thinking, it is not right maybe. And stand your ground first. What I told you, first be stable in your feet, I told. Same angels are giving you the same information. Stand your ground. Choose your battle wisely. You have to choose first career, then marriage, okay? If you go into marriage, then definitely you can't fix your career for the lifetime, okay? This is what I'm getting through energies. And gift of money, time or effort, maybe new opportunities. Once you fix your career, first you get grounded in your feet, then you will fix your career. Definitely there is a receiving loan or paying of debts also from your side. You may help the family finance also for future. So this is your reading. Thank you. Thank you for the hearts. Please like, guys, support me, and there is a YouTube channel also, you can go and support. If anybody is interested for the private reading, definitely you can directly message me through Messenger in Facebook. Ruchi Chaudhary, court case. I don't know it's about what. Without knowing your situation, with one card, how can I answer you, Ruchi? And sometimes I don't want to misguide people. So why I'm telling you need a private reading. So to concentrate only on you should take a private session, because court case I don't know about what you're dealing with. Maybe I can pull some cards from the energies currently, something if I come to know also, but satisfy reading you need. So why I'm telling you need a private reading for that. Okay, property related case. Okay, is there third person involvement? Maybe somebody is telling the property does not belong for you, it's ours, something like that. For the site measurement, something like that. Is that true? So Ruchi, can you reply me fast? Okay. Okay. Your father's side, right? Okay, for the share. For the share, that is right. Gurmeet, welcome dear. Okay. So you're only one daughter for your dad? Okay. There is no son. You're the one person who is fighting for this right now. Gurmeet, thank you. I'll take you next, okay, Gurmeet? I'm on the between with her question. You're alone fighting for this, right? You have no support. Only with your parents you have some support. Rather than that, no any relations with you, right? Guys, let me see Ruchi's message. I'm not finding her recent messages. I'm missing it. Guys, let me do Ruchi. Please don't post. Stop right now. Ruchi, I don't know what you sent. I missed something, I guess. I asked you something. I didn't get answer for that. Can you resend, Ruchi? You sent about brother something. Okay, so you have a brother also, right? But nobody. I'm getting something like you're alone fighting for this thing. Maybe no backbone or nothing. No support. Okay, you're not getting your share. That is right. Ruchi, definitely through energies I'm getting, you'll win something, you'll get something. In empty hands you will not go. That is for true. That is for sure. In empty hands I don't see you going. The sun card also popped out. While I'm getting the energy connections from my spirit guides, I got the sun card. So definitely there is a chance getting something. And 10 of Pentacles under the deck, I see something you get from them. In empty hand, the law will not leave you to go out of the court. Okay? Okay, Gurmeet, are you there? Gurmeet, did you donate? Okay, Gurmeet donated, so I'm taking hers. She needs a spiritual guidance. She recently had a paid session with me. So Gurmeet, how are you now? Everything is working for you? I think you're following some spiritual. I'm getting some energy, spiritual vibes from your side. I'm getting like you're very much depth going on in all this puja, mantra, everything. So I forgot to send you that mantra. Sorry, I will send you by tomorrow. I was busy actually. I was having a book, heavy bookings from yesterday. I only today I am free little after afternoon. So I may send you the mantra later, okay? You do it daily. Like I told that Ayya, no? You pray that Ayya, and that is very safer side God. Like it will help you in financial benefits and for the self growth. So you have got awakening and 4 of fire. Maybe things. You'll have to look in different perspective. Like after reading what I said at the end, maybe you remember that don't neglect anybody in your family. I told you this. Some or another day you may have benefit from them. One or two, 1 rupee or 2 rupee, it is okay. $1 or $2, it's okay. Somehow they will help you. But the temporary standstill right now, maybe you feel nothing is working, but slowly it is in your process. It is for good only, for your good only. I see. Actually, I'm feeling you have to take care of yourself now. You'll have to sleep well, eat well, take care of your health first. Lack of sleep, or maybe you should rest well. Don't think about anything, especially don't think about your daughter. She's very well in her own life. She is able to do achieve whatever she want. She have so much of capacity. I told you that. So contentment, peace and abundance, happy home life I see for you. Maybe you have to wait 1 more year. Everything will go better for you in a relationship also. And something completion, maybe your husband or you will complete some project, and maybe he will return to you. He will come to you, okay? Within 6 months, there is a chance, okay? Thank you, Gurmeet. Thank you for the likes and arts, guys. Thank you for the support. So if anybody donates, I'm gonna take their question first. If you people can wait, please wait until your turn. So thank you for the donation, Gurmeet. Ritika Sachdeva, I think you asked some other question in evening also, I think, right? So Ritika, financial blessing reading, please. Suffering from financial crisis. Are you working, Ritika, right now? Maybe I see you're bothering about something. There is a lagging in situation. There is lack of progression in your life. So there is a blockages. I think you'll have to unblock it with your own hands. I can't do it. You'll have to take some help. Go to some healing sessions or go to some subminerals. It may help you. the anxiety level and the subliminals and the remedies in YouTube, it works. Maybe if you want to book your slot personally, I may share you the things. But I see there is something new. If you want to change a job or if you want to search a job, there is a good job opportunity for you. See, definitely the both are major arcana cards. I don't see this will be the same. You will improve your financial crisis. Don't worry. Maybe within 2 or 5 months, definitely it's improving. Okay, don't worry about that. But I need your plans or some decisions should be changed. Right now, what are your routines? Routines should be changed. Maybe the company or maybe the job. I don't know. Something should be changed for the new financial. You have to go in new direction for financial improvement. This old way won't work. Okay, something I'm getting through spirits guides like that. This routine will definitely not work like this. You'll have to change and go to the new direction for new path. There is a new project coming in your way. Please, you have to just check, open your eyes and go and see around you. There is opportunities around you. Don't miss out. Okay. Chayan, I don't know how to spell this. Chohan Jaya Rahul Singh Thomar. Hi, my name is Jaya from Himat Nagar. Ma'am, वापस करियर कब स्टार्ट होगा? फैमिली संभालने में ओके, फैमिली संभालने में राह जाऊंगी. ओके, so Chohan, your name is Jaya from Himat Nagar. Okay, welcome dear. Welcome if you are new to Shri Tarot. When can you start career? I can check. Okay. Women are very strong, but I don't know whether you are able to handle everything. Maybe Four of Swords. If you go out and start your career, maybe you can't get rest timings for yourself. You can't take care of yourself. I see maybe everything will fail for you in relationship or in family life when you enter to career life. This is the energy reading which I'm getting. But since you asked when you can start career reading, there is an answer for that also. Definitely you can start once you move out for interview. You have to put efforts. There is a chance within 2 months you getting. Again 2 and 2 I got. 2 times 2 of cups, 2 of pentacles I got. Maybe you'll have to balance. This card shows imbalance in your situations after you move out of the house. You'll have to take care of all situations at your home and outside. If you can handle those things, please you can move for career life, but it's up to you. But I see once you go out, put effort for jobs, definitely there is a chance within 2 months getting a great job. So this is your reading, Chohan. Thank you for coming. Please like the live session and please share it. Guys who are new, please go and subscribe YouTube channel. Yesterday I have uploaded all zodiac signs for October 1st to 7th. So go and check the live session yesterday which I uploaded. So give me support, give me like and subscribe there also. So next question I'm gonna go for Jasprit Aneja. Please you'll have to share for that. ADV Priyanka, welcome. Radha, are you here? Ethel Nagrecha, please share. Oh Ethel, dear Ethel, you follow some remedies. If you want to take personal reading, Ethel, you can message me directly. So studies, your daughter is not interested in studies, give her more activities. Maybe that time she will get interested. You don't force her to touch her book. Leave her at least 3 months. Let it go, let her waste, but last moment she'll only get interest. You will have to take risk at this age. If she is very small, then leave her alone. If she is high school or something like that, give some 1 month or 2 months, that's all. Then certain times you have to force children to study. When you force also, it will affect in different way, and she is unable to touch her book again, and she never gets interest to read. So she hates studies later. Sometimes the behavior goes opposite. When we think in another way, it comes in opposite way. So she's not interested in studies means definitely leave her freely. At least check what she's interested in. Don't force in things which she's like not interested right now. It may be like later she may fix her mind for studies. This is what I want. As a mother, even you want the same. Maybe for long run she should like studies. That is what I am thinking of. Simran Sonkar, please share dear. No sharer tag. Radha Ankit Rajput, are you here? Radha, are you here? So Radha, if you can answer, I can reply to your question. If you are not here, then I'm gonna skip you. So Radha is not answering. Okay, fine. Okay, so I'll end the live session now. I'll wind up.